Our journey begins at a beautiful jungle-side hotel, built with natural wood and clay. The design feels simple, traditional, and perfectly connected with nature. Inside the hotel, there are amazing stone-carved artworks, carefully crafted on the rocks, showing beautiful traditional design in the open grass field. Elephants can be seen grazing peacefully, making this moment even more special. Across the wide open grassland, many buffalo can be seen grazing peacefully on the fresh green grass. The meadow is incredibly vast, and just looking at this beautiful scene feels calming and refreshing. It brings peace to the mind and heart, filling the surroundings with positive vibes. Now we are near the Rapti River, and the view is truly stunning. Small houses can be seen along the sides. And this place is also a lovely tourist area. The atmosphere here is calm, beautiful, and wonderfully peaceful. Finally, we have arrived in the city area. The roads here are clean and beautiful, and just looking around brings a sense of joy. Soraha is well known for its amazing jungle safaris and natural surroundings. Some people say traveling abroad is better, but honestly, places like this are no less beautiful. Here is simply amazing. Soraha is often called the heart of Chitwan. It's a perfect place to refresh the mind. Enjoy jungle safaris, see wildlife, experience the beauty of nature. For tourists, there is never a shortage of attractions here, from wildlife and jungle views to peaceful, natural surroundings. Soraha truly offers an unforgettable experience of nature, wildlife, and peaceful travel moments. Thank you for watching the video.